god.
Oh my god!
What is this? Yeah, this is the honeycomb.
Oh,
Please
wow.
check
Really?
it, brother.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Let me check it.
Oh my god, I gotta check it. Oh my god, thank you so much, brother. Wow, this beehive or honeycomb was so big. So please wait a moment. I gonna cook this one for you.
Thank you. Okay guys, right now our beehive, grill beehive or honeycomb is ready. So time it, I'm gonna show you how it looks like after mixing with the spicy salt. Oh my god, it's so hot and smells so beautiful. Wow, everyone smells so delicious, you know. Just by looking, it seems like, you know, we can say my watering, you know. Oh my god. This is our spicy sauce, isn't it? Okay, put in here. Oh my god, everyone. Wow. Spicy sauce here. Mmm. Oh my god. Mm. Mm. So hard. Oh my god, like that. Mm. Wow, so appetizing. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. Hey guys, you know, this kind of grill behind is so beautiful, it tastes amazing. But most of people when they got this kind of like honeycomb, so they always make the salad but I recommend you to do this kind of grilling with the spicy sauce. So beautiful. Oh my god, so spicy.